and I've always been a lover of aviation even since I was a little boy, which my grandfather was a pilot, so I was always around aeroplanes. And I guess as most boys, when they're kids, they collect cars or aeroplanes. So I really took to the aeroplanes when I was little, and I used to make them out of plastic and glue and paint them. But as I got older, I sort of seeked the more detail of the aeroplanes. So then I moved to the collecting of the actual die-cast metal models that we have here. For every aeroplane that you see here, the relative size is as you would see in real life. So if you see a 777 next to a 737, the size difference is actually what you would see for real. So these are all listed. So these are empty boxes and all the different ones I have. And these are full boxes, so these have full models in that I don't have room for.